welcome to today's tutorial. And some people have been complaining to me about the Remini update always having update and all, and even mod versions is really giving them problem. For those that cannot pay for the premium version of Remini, so I have been thinking of how to make this tutorial. But today I come across a picture that sent in one of the groups. Alright, this particular picture, the person sent this and said, okay, let's try to work on this. So I discovered that even if you want to enhance this kind of picture now, it's going to give you a lighter one. And I think I should tackle that issue firstly before going to other tutorials. So maybe you download your own Remini version from your Play Store or your App Store. It's going to come from your Play Store or your App Store. It's going to come with this version. Okay, if you are not using mod version, I mean, you download it on the Play Store. So here is the picture, and I click on enhance. But note, if you are not using premium version, you can say enhance and watch and add. But if you want multiple results, then that will be pro, without ads, without limits. Okay, so I'm going to click on enhance, watch and add. Alright, and let us see the result it's going to bring for us. Yeah, this is the picture is going to provide for you, and then you can save it to your gallery. Now let's see what we can do. Now what I would advise right now is that just go to your gallery and just check out the resolution of the one you just enhanced and see what you've got. Now I will come to properties, okay, and then this is 960 by 1280 1.2 MP. That's quite low, but let's make do with this. So what I'm going to advise you to do at first is, number one, you should go to your Lightroom application. You can decide to also download that on your Play Store. And so you're going to click on this three dots and click on add photos, and you click on files. That's more faster than going to device and any other means, in as much as Lightroom or mobile phone is concerned. Okay, so you give it time so that your folder will load, and then you click on your images depending on the kind of folder you use, and then you will click that picture you just enhanced. Okay, now you will see all photos here. You see people, you see deleted. These people's the kind of logins you give your Lightroom. Alright, you can explore that all by yourself. So I'll come to this picture I just imported. I'll just click on it. Remember, we are trying to achieve the color that it had before. Alright, maybe I should show you guys the color it had before. So this is the real color of that picture. Alright, but after we enhance it with the new Remini, this is the outcome is given. So the first thing I want you to do is to come to your effects, and then the texture, let's leave the texture for now. Increase the clarity just a little. Come to light. Okay, this exposure, reduce it a little. I have reduced it by 30 for now, just for now. This contrast I will increase to 4, and then I'll come to color. I've had a little saturation to hit. Okay, can you see what you have? Yeah, so I'll still come to light. I'll reduce the highlights, just trying to get the exact outcome. Now I think I'll prefer it like this if I want to work on it. Now even if you see it now, it's even much more better than this. Can you see the difference? It's much more better. But if you want it to be more saturated, there's no problems in that. Alright, what you just need to do is to come to this to color, and then even the vibrance, you can increase the vibrance also. Alright, don't bother to touch the tint or vibrance or temperature. Don't bother to touch that. You can just touch the vibrance and the saturation. Okay, don't touch the temp, the tint, don't touch it. Just touch the vibrance and saturation. Even if you don't want to touch the vibrance all the same, you can leave it and just touch the saturation. Okay, and then the moment you reduce it to any amount you want, come to effects, you can make it more clear. Alright, you can make it more clear by giving it clarity, and then everything will stand up for. But if it is that you just want to edit the picture for someone, you can still come to grain, so that it can have some kind of effect on the skin. Alright, if you don't know what grain means, immediately after this tutorial, download Lightroom application, or you join my Telegram channel. You see the link below this video. You'll be able to see the exact version of Lightroom that I'm using. Alright, so That will be all. For you to export now, you see this share up or there, click on share. All right, and you click on save to device, and that is all. So the moment it's saved, you can go to your gallery, go to your sketchbook, import it, start working on it. It's so simple like that. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Please guys, I want you to share this YouTube channel, share it with others, let people get to know about this YouTube channel, let them also benefit from it. Thank you as you do so. Bye.